Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're gonna tell you about the top formula milk brands which are available for babies in India. These are the top brands which are available and we will tell you about each brand and then the types of baby formulas they make. In case you do like the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel Mom and Family if you haven't done so already. So the first brand of infant formula that we're going to talk about is Similac. Similac is similar to lactation and it is the brand of infant formula that was developed by Alfred Bosworth of Tufts University and marketed by Abbott Laboratories. So the types of Similac formula that are available in the market currently is Similac, Similac Advance, Similac IQ Plus, Similac NeoSure and Similac Total Comfort. Now we will discuss each one of these briefly. Similac is designed to support normal growth and development of the baby. It comes in 3 stages. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 months baby, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 months baby, and stage 3 is for 12 to 24 months baby. Similac Advance contains fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals to support healthy growth of the baby. Similac Advance contains neuronutrients such as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It also contains choline, iron, taurine, iodine, folic acid, and zinc that are known to support baby's brain development. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 months baby, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 months baby, and stage 3 is for 12 to 24 months baby. Similac IQ Plus contains DHA. Similac IQ Plus exclusively uses a form of naturally occurring vitamin E. Vitamin E is an important antioxidant for protecting the cells of the baby's eyes and brain as well. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 months baby, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 months baby, and stage 3 is for 12 to 24 months baby. Similac NeoSure is for premature babies which are born before 37 weeks or whose birth weight is less than 2.5 kgs. It contains DHA and natural vitamin E. Similac Total Comfort is for birth to 24 months. It contains 100% whey, easy to digest proteins which are gentle on babies' tummies, and it also has a easy to digest fat blend with no palm olein oil for softer stools. Similac Isomil is a soy-based, milk-free, lactose-free infant formula which is formulated specially to meet the nutritional needs of infants suffering from lactose intolerance or sensitivity to milk or a milk allergy. So the second brand of the infant formula that we're going to talk about is Enfamil. Enfamil is manufactured by Mead Johnson Nutrition. They are the world's leading provider of pediatric nutrition products with a heritage of over 100 years. So the infant formulas which are available in India from the brand Enfamil are Enfamil A Plus, and then they also have a hypoallergenic formula which is Nutramigen LGG. So Enfamil A Plus has recommended levels of DHA and ARA. It also has choline and iron, and it has complete nutrition for the baby. It is available in 3 stages. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 months baby, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 months baby, and stage 3 is for 12 to 24 months baby. Nutrigimin provides fast relief from colic due to cow's milk allergy. It helps overcome the milk allergy and helps baby to fastly return to regular milk proteins. It has DHA and ARA that support baby's brain and eye development, and it also helps in baby getting lesser allergies in future. So the next brand of infant formulas that we're going to talk about is Dexolac. Dexolac is manufactured by Nutricia, and Nutricia became a part of the Danone Group. Danone Group is a recognized manufacturer of early nutritional products. So the Danone Early Life Nutrition is dedicated to help babies eat better during the first 1,000 days of their life, which is considered the crucial period of their life. The range of Dexolac infant formulas which are available in Indian market is Dexolac Special Care, Dexolac and Dexolac Premium. Dexolac Special Care is designed for premature babies who are born earlier than 37 weeks or who have birth weight of less than 2.5 kgs. Dexolac is specially designed for babies' overall growth and development. It comes in 4 stages. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 month babies, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 month babies, and stage 3 is for 12 to 18 month babies. It also has a stage 4 which is for 18 to 24 month babies. Dexolac Premium is specially designed for babies' overall growth and brain development. The neuronutrients like omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids, which are precursors of DHA and ARA, taurine, choline, iron, and iodine, help babies' overall brain development. It comes in 3 stages. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 months, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 months, and stage 3 is for 12 to 24 months. The next brand that we're going to talk about is Aptamil. Aptamil is Danone Nutritia's first global brand launched in India. For over 100 years, Nutritia has been at the forefront of innovation in infant nutrition. The Aptamil formulas available in India are Aptamil Preterm, Aptamil, and Aptamil Pepti. Aptamil infant formula comes with a scientific proven blend of prebiotics known to support immune system development of the babies. Aptamil supports brain and vision development. It is an optimized blend of DHA, ARA, iron, iodine, folic acid, choline, and taurine. It is a whey predominant formula with 100% lactose. It comes in 3 stages. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 month babies, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 month babies, and stage 3 is for 12 month babies. It's basically for babies above 12 months of age. Aptamil Preterm contains nutrients in accordance to the specific need of premature or low birth weight babies. Aptamil Pepti, it is a hypoallergenic infant formula which is for the dietary management of cow's milk allergy. It's basically for babies who have allergy to the cow's milk. It is an extensively hydrolyzed whey protein based formula. The next brand of the infant formula that we're going to talk about is Farix. Farix is manufactured by Nutricia International Private Limited. The Farix formulas available in Indian market are Farix Gentle Infant Formula and Farix Low Birth Weight Infant Formula. Farix Gentle infant formula contains ingredients that support growth, digestibility, brain development, and strong bones in babies. Farix Gentle is a predominantly whey based formula. It contains nucleotides and zinc that help support immune function in babies. It has omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids to help in visual function and brain development of babies. It has 100% lactose that helps support good bacteria in baby's gut. Farix Gentle infant formula comes in 3 stages. Stage 1 is for 0 to 6 month babies, stage 2 is for 6 to 12 month babies, and stage 3 is for babies who are above 12 months of age. Farix low birth weight infant formula is intended for premature babies who are born before 37 weeks or who have a birth weight of less than 2.5 kgs. The next brand of infant formula that we're going to talk about is Lactogen. Nestle has come up with two different brands of infant milk formula. First is Lactogen, second is NanPro. Nestle develops infant nutrition products which are backed by evolving science and research. Lactogen infant formula is with prebiotics. It contains whey proteins which are very easy to digest for the baby. It comes in four stages. Stage 1 is for babies who are up to 6 months of age. Stage 2 is for babies who are above 6 months of age. Stage 3 is after 12 months and stage 4 is after 18 months. The next brand of infant formula that we're going to talk about is Nestle NanPro. It is manufactured by Nestle. Nestle NanPro comes with four different types of formula in India. First is Nestle Pre-Nan, second is Nestle NanPro, then is Nestle Nan Low Lac, and then there is Nestle Nan Excella Pro. Now we will talk about each one of them. Nestle NanPro formula contains DHA ARA. It also contains whey protein. It contains vitamin A, C, D, iron and zinc. It comes in four stages. Stage 1 is for babies up to 6 months. Stage 2 is for babies after 6 months. Stage 3 is for babies after 12 months. And stage 4 is after 18 months. Nestle Pre-Nan is an infant formula for premature babies or for babies who are born with low birth weight. It's basically babies who are born before 37 weeks or who have a birth weight of less than 2.5 kgs. Nestle Nan Low Lac infant formula powder is a low lactose infant formula. The amount of lactose in this infant formula is only 5%. It is basically suitable for babies who are intolerant to lactose, and it is suitable for babies up to 24 months of age. Nestle Nan Excella Pro is a premium infant formula by Nestle. It has DHA, ARA, whey protein and choline. It basically has all the nutrients that are needed for baby's growth, and it has a higher whey protein ratio than Nestle NanPro so that the baby can digest it easily. Nestle Nan Excella Pro comes in three stages. Stage 1 is for babies up to 6 months of age. Stage 2 is for babies after 6 months of age, and stage 3 is for babies after 12 months of age. So hopefully you liked our video about the top formula milk or infant formula milk brands for babies in India. If you liked this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel Mom and Family. And thanks again for watching our channel.